video is going to be an unboxing video, as you can tell by the title of this video. So it is a new month, and this is going to be my July Ipsy bag for the month. I don't know the theme of it. I don't know anything actually what I'm getting. So it is going to be another surprise. Usually I'm very like at the beginning when I do these, I had to peek through just because I was so impatient. But we are going to take it out. So I just opened it right now. This is what the bag looks like. I think it's really nice, and it still goes with the whole summery theme. I feel it has like that really nice like kind of mermaid tail is what it reminds me of. But I really like the bag right off the bat. It has that nice vinyl feeling that I love a makeup bag to be made out of, because it's just so much easier to clean. And then it has a little white and it says Ipsy on it, and yeah, so I like the zipper. And I don't know have the card, so I think it's in here. Yep, it is. It says July 2018 Ipsy, and that's what the card looks like. So I'm guessing it has like water right here, like the little water, like little swirly signs right there. So I'm guessing like that's the whole theme. It's just like summery July. It says ready to dive into summer. Yeah, so pretty much you can tell that's what it is. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the first thing out. And the first thing I pull out, it is a tapered blending brush by Elizabeth Mott. And right away, I love it because, let's be honest, you can never have enough brushes. I love testing out brushes, and Ipsy is a really cool way to test out like company brushes that you've never heard of, or you heard of and you've never tried. And yeah, so this is what it feels like. Well, I can't show you what it feels like, but it feels really amazing. And I like that it is lavender, so it's like, wow, it's going with the whole purple theme. But yeah, I really like the way this feels, so I can't wait to try that. And Elizabeth Mott actually likes some of her stuff that I have gotten in the past, so that's pretty cool. So it's gonna go ahead and take out the second thing. The second thing is it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Light Sampler. Oh, it's light sampler. It's a Miracle Leave-In, and this is what it looks like. Now this is really cool because even like the sample sizes are a little bit pricey. I want to say maybe they're like, I don't know, can't really think, because I remember when I used to use It's a 10, it was when I was going to beauty school. I would go to their house and get some products. I would go to hair shows, and they will give you like an actual whole full set size bag and everything with It's a 10. So that's where I first learned about It's a 10. That's really cool that they put it in your Ipsy bag. So I'm excited, and I have tried, I think, the purple one and the gold one before. I can't remember if I ever tried this one before. But it says shampoo and condition hair, towel dry, spray product over hair, and comb through. So it's supposed to give it really like give it, you know, kind of supposed to make your hair better and stuff like that. They have like different ones for different things. Like there's, I think the purple and gold one is like for putting keratin back into your hair. So anyway, the next one, it is a eyeliner. It says Ico London, and this is a liquid eyeliner black. So I love liquid eyeliners, so I'm excited to try. This is what the box looks like. I don't even know if I showed it to you guys, but this is what the little liner looks like. So cute. And pop this open. Oh yeah, I like the way this feels. So this is what the tip looks like, and I like the way it's really black, so I really like that. I like the products I'm getting so far. So let's pull out another one, and this is, pull this out. This is a step 2 Manicador Flawless Finish Dual Powder. So it's kind of like a setting powder. So yeah, so I have to try that out. I don't know how I feel about that shade. Hopefully it doesn't have any like yellow in it, because last time I got like a banana powder type of thing, and it was too yellow for me. So we'll see how that is. I might just give that away, because I love my setting powders that I have already. And then the last but not least, let's pop this open. Like, pop it out. This is by City Color, and this is an eyeshadow skinny latte. That's what that looks like right there. So, oh yeah, the shade is really nice. Like really pretty. That'll be really nice to put like in the inner corner, which I don't have any in my inner corner. Oh, look at that. That works perfect. Awesome. And that was it. That was in my Ipsy bag, guys. I hope you guys like this. Again, if you don't know anything about Ipsy, I will leave the link in the description in the bottom. You can check that out. You do pay like $10 a month and you get 5 products in your bag every month. And yeah, so I actually liked everything in my bag. I'm excited to try all these out. And yeah, so anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was quick, fast, and easy, but it was straight to the point, and most of my videos have been long lately, so I'm trying not to make them as long right now. But I like the bag as well. So that is it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do sign up with Ipsy, let me know what was in your makeup bag. What was your favorite product? I think mine's gonna have to be the, I don't know, the brush. I really like the way this brush looks. I love brushes. So yep, that's it, guys. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.